Hi guys, welcome to the channel. In this video, we're going to be looking at how you can run effective Facebook ads by spying on your competitors. So what I'm going to show you in this video is how you can use the Facebook ad library in order for you to spy on your competitors and know what they are doing and how you can replicate what they are doing and do it for yourself. Because in this internet, whatever you can do in order for you to see what other people are doing, you can do it very well. You can also do what they are doing. So let's get to the video. First of all, we are going to go to the Facebook ad library. So once you come to your Google Chrome or your Google browser, what you need to search for is Facebook ad library. Once you search for Facebook ad library, then you see this list of searches that will show up. You just see them. Then all you need to do here is just for you to click on the first one. Click on the first one to open it on a new tab. Then you see what facebook.com/ads/library. So I've already opened it here. So once you come here, the next thing you need to do is just to select the country. Why is Nigeria? Is because that's the country I'm residing right now. So you just select your country, select the country of your choice, select the country, then select the category. But in this way, we are going to be using all ads as a category. So we'll be using all ads as a category. Remember, you can select the country that you want. Maybe you want a United States, you want Canada, you want any other place. You can select the one that you want and use it for your ad. So it's not limited to any particular country. So it's based on your own preference. Okay, you can see now. Like now, if I want it to be all ads, that means it will be all nations. Then I will click on all. Then that means I'm selecting all the countries. That does not mean that. That means now that it's not limited to Nigeria only. It's also in worldwide. That's why the reason I selected all. So in case if you want it that way, then remember we selected all category. That means all ads. You can select all ads. All ads. Okay. Yeah, all ads. Then what you come here now, you put the keyword you are about to promote. Remember, on anything online like this now, the most important thing is just for you to be able to do what? To replicate what people are doing and do it more efficiently in order for you to get better results. So what we come here now, let's for instance, we are promoting affiliate marketing products. We just search for affiliate. Yes. Right now that are running on affiliate marketing worldwide. So we are waiting for it to load now. So in case you like videos like this, please always try to smash the like. So we are waiting for it to load now. So in case you like videos like this, please always try to smash the like button and also do what? Subscribe to this YouTube channel so that YouTube will notify to other people for them to also get to watch this video and also get a good ad for themselves. So if you stay to the end, I'm going to give you a bonus tip in how you are going to do what? Get effective ad to be running for you without you stressing yourself on this ad, on your ads. So as you can see, so look at it. For instance, now we have ad that are launched on July. It's an ad that were launched on July. So we can see them. It's still loading. So for instance, now this particular one was launched on July. It was launched, let's see the date. It was launched on 11th of July 2024. And it is being run on Facebook. It's being run on Facebook, it's run on Instagram, it's run on Messenger and other platform. So these are ads that are currently running. So what do you do in this type of thing? What you know to do is just for you to come here, see what is working, and you just replicate what is working and do it for yourself. Like now, if I see this banner now that this banner is okay, I will say how to systematically recruit 15 to 25 dream team people per month. So what I do here now, I just come here, then I see all this thing now. I go to maybe something like ChatGPT. I can click on any of these. Let me say, for instance, I like this particular ad. I click on this to see all the this thing. Then I can copy this particular this thing right now. I see what I'm doing. Just copy it. I can copy it. And I can go to something like ChatGPT. Then go there now. We can just paste this thing now. Tell ChatGPT to recreate this particular art copy for me. So what the ChatGPT does for me is just to recreate this, and I use it for my art. Do you understand? So what I can do now is just for me to see what is working, then collect the same thing that is working and put it on my own platform. I telling ChatGPT to recreate it for me. Once ChatGPT is able to recreate it, then I use it for my art. Simple. So that is how you can be able to do what? Spy on your competitors. Because these days Facebook always bound maybe something like affiliate marketing ad and the rest of it. So what replicate what they are doing, do it for yourself and get some results. There's nothing difficult there. So we have come to the end of this video. Please, if you like this video, subscribe and share this video. Please, let's grow this channel together.